Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your history on Reddit application. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete history on Reddit, firstly open your Reddit application. The home page of Reddit will appear on the screen. Tap on profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Among the pop-up option, click on History. The recent histories will appear on the screen. Tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and click on Clear History. This is how you can clear your history on Reddit application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.